Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to show you my Indigo and Ivy kit that I received from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club this month. So I just wanted to share that with you and show you what it looked like and all the fun goodies that were included in it. So we're going to start with the papers. So here we have the Indigo and Ivy vellum. This is gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. That shine. I love it. Now this is, I don't know if I'm going to cut this up or use this as a background, so we will see. And then we'll do the papers. So this is paper number 1, nice cut apart. On the other side is kind of this watercolor chevron, and I'm going to leave the pages up on what I will probably use. So this is paper number 2, some beautiful flowers, and on the back kind of this wood grain. Oh yeah, this one's screaming to me, need that one. This is paper number 3. On the other side, butterflies, so we know that side's going to be the one I use. We know that's going to happen. Paper number 4, it kind of looks like canvas with some little dots on it. And then on this side, this gorgeous floral, and I'm definitely I want these two together. Paper number 5 is this floral with blue and pink. And then on the other side, kind of like these watercolory triangles. Here is number 6, and this kind of looks kind of like fabric-y, and on this side this stripe that goes from a narrow all the way up to the bold. Loving that stripe. Here we have this side, it looks almost like it's some denim. It's like a gingham with diamonds, and then on this side this beautiful wood grain, and let's be honest, I'm going to use that. On paper number 8, kind of this decorative kind of wood planked, and on the other side a pink watercolor. I want to use this side. Now this gorgeousness would be beautiful as a background, this direction or even this direction, and then some florals on the back, but I want to use that side. Then on this side we have these large kind of feathery like leaves, and then a stripe. And this kind of looks like a gauzy kind of fabric. Probably going to use that side. Here we have paper 11, kind of a geometric type feeling. This kind of reminds me of Hearst Castle a little bit. And then on this side, I almost want to call this like a muted animal print. And then paper number 12, we have this beautiful green and blue, where it goes from lighter to darker. And then on the other side, some watercolory stripes, where you go the greens, the blues, the kind of the browns and khakis, and then into the pink colors. And I really like that one. Okay. So here we have the thickers, and these are foam thickers. They have kind of that coating on top of them that you would get with like a chipboard thicker, but then they are foam, and it's blue on blue. So we have that. Then we have the stickers. I'm going to pull these out because they need to be pulled out. So here we go. We have these stickers. Great touches of gold, and then some nice sentiments, creating memories together. Happiness is here with you. Some word phrases as well. And then like all of the colors coordinate so well. Like here's that cool design again here. So that's exciting. So these are the sticker sheets. And then we have the 6x6 paper pad, and these are single-sided. I'm going to pop this open so we can give it a flip through though. So I have really rediscovered my love of 6x6 paper pads, and that's good because I've got a stack of them I have to get through. Okay, so there are 36 sheets. All right, so we have the cut apart in little sizes, the blue floral, There's those butterflies. So it looks like everything is just shrunk down. So it looks like all the papers and they're just shrunk down. So there is 2 of each one. That's awesome. Okay, then we have an exclusive sequin mix for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and Spiegel Mom scraps. And so this is going to match beautifully with the kit. Look at that, those golds and the greens and the blues, the little florals. Then we have this wood veneer, and this is something that Christina put in. This is not pink paisley. And then we have the Indigo and Ivy gold letter stickers. Look at those. I'm loving them. And then we have the phrases. So we have acetate phrases that are gold and clear, and then we also have chipboard phrases. And let me just pull out a couple so you can kind of see them a little bit better than in the packages. And then I'm looking at these, and it looks like it's the kind of chipboard that if it's too thick for what you want, you can easily peel some layers off. And that's what I do with chipboard. So we have some of those. And then let's take a quick little peek at the acetate ones too. Now, I always appreciate when people take the things out of the package, even if it's just a quick little view of it, just because I like to see. Oh, look at that. I got one that had a cut through it. Oh, that's kind of sad. Okay, so we have all kinds of things like creating memories, so very lucky. And these aren't just clear, like look, there's some blue on it. There's some with some green. It looks like there's some with some pink. And I'm not even showing you guys on the camera. Well, at least I get to see it. So here we go, and you can kind of see that. And then we have the die cuts. So this is good because it has larger and smaller die cuts, and that's exciting because companies for a while there were getting all kinds of big ones. So we have weekend, we have some frames, some things for journaling. That's gorgeous. Really excited to use these frames. I might do a little bit of layering or something. Get some excitement going on. There's that butterfly. But see, the good thing about these are watercolor butterflies, and you could create something, you could layer something up and have little bits of color poking through, and you would not even know that that was a butterfly. So labels and tags. You were loved. This happened. There's another floral. Have the word beautiful. Then let's look at the littler guys. So we have some gold. So we have True Story, another floral, a butterfly. Whoops, what did that say? Good Times, another floral, a slide. Love this. Always Better Together. Happiness is Here with You, a heart, a tab, some more florals, a couple more tabs. There's another butterfly. So that's exciting stuff. And then we have Nouveau Stone Drops. And this is Belgium Bluestone. So excited to try out that. And then we have these rub-ons. And these rub-ons are really cool because they are layering rub-ons. So what you can do is you have this, hopefully you can see this. You have these kind of like backgrounds where they're kind of like brushed on watercolory type things. And then you have these guys that layer on top. So you can like put down this large green circle, and then you could layer this You and Me over top of it. Or you can obviously use them separately as well. So here they are, and these are the gold like upper layers. And then here are the lower layers. All right, guys, so that is my Indigo and Ivy kit. Super excited to use this, super excited to play with it. You know, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing my Hearst Castle pictures with this because it just screams Hearst Castle to me. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys real soon.